Hey everyone, it's Sam here from Sugar Spun Run, and today I'll be showing you how to make chocolate crinkle cookies. Today's chocolate crinkle cookie recipe is super simple to make. These cookies are thick, fudgy, chewy, chocolatey, and cloaked in a powdered sugar. To begin, you are going to need a large bowl, and we are going to add 12 tablespoons or 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter. You will also need 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, and if you don't use cups, if you prefer metric measurements, I do have all of those included in the printable recipe, which I've linked to below. You'll also need a 1/2 cup of tightly packed light brown sugar. And then you'll need an electric mixer or a stand mixer, and beat these together until your ingredients are light and fluffy. Now you will need 4 large eggs, and we'll add these into our dough one at a time, stirring well after each addition. We are also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now set those ingredients aside, and you're going to need a separate medium to large sized bowl with 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll add a cup of natural unsweetened cocoa powder, a tablespoon of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and we'll just stir everything together until it's combined. Now bring back your wet ingredients, and we are going to gradually add this flour cocoa powder mixture to our wet ingredients, and you can use your electric mixer if you want. I'm going to start by just using my spatula to combine the ingredients. As you add more of your flour mixture, you're going to notice the batter getting really thick, so at this point I'm going to re-employ my electric mixer to get everything combined. And now for a final chocolatey touch, I'm going to add a cup of mini chocolate chips into the batter. Now we are going to cover our bowl with cling wrap, and this is going to need to chill for 4 hours. Now it can chill longer, and in fact, I have a batch in the fridge right now that I've had chilling overnight. Once you have dough that has chilled for at least 4 hours, we are ready to begin scooping and baking. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I like to use a 1.5 tablespoon size cookie scoop to scoop out my cookie dough. You'll want to roll the cookie dough in between your palms until it's smooth, and then roll this through powdered sugar. And then we'll place our cookie dough on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. You'll want to space your cookies about 2 inches apart. And the dough is going to stick to your hands. It's going to get pretty messy. One thing you can do to kind of cut down on that is you can lightly dust your palms with powdered sugar while you're rolling. And now we'll bake our chocolate crinkle cookies in our 300 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 12 minutes. Now these chocolate crinkle cookies are delicate when they're hot, so you do want to let them cool completely on their cookie sheet before enjoying. That is how you make these super fudgy, super delicious chocolate crinkle cookies. If you guys try this recipe out, please let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and I would love it if you would subscribe. And if you enjoyed today's recipe, here are a few others you might like.